Greetings everybody, this is Red on VFR and we are servicing the Shadow 750, which is VT750 DC. This is a Shadow Spirit, as you probably know. This is my brother's bike. I don't even know how many miles it has. He stole the key! I thought the key will be there, but it's not. That's a good habit that he removed them. But I'm sure this bike is over 35,000 miles. I think it's over 30,000, that's for sure. So those tires are old. And this bike is here for the tire change. So the front one is 110/80/19, and let's see here. It is a Bridgestone. Can't find it. Mag Mopus G1515. Mopus. What the hell is that? I think that one is made in Japan also. Yep. Made in Japan. All right. Some reason it's not focusing today. Doesn't matter. So this tire is of the week of 42. Yep, 2016. And it's kind of gone. Really gone. Has the cracks. Wow, my phone is not focusing whatsoever. Focusing fine up there. Let me see. Come on. Oh, there you go. When I put 1, which is no zoom, 1x, started zooming in. So it has the cracks, and it's bald. There's nothing there. You can see the lines, but it's gone. The tire is gone. And the back one is a Bridgestone Exidra G702. Yeah, and that stuff is like chain loop, chain grease. So the back one is 160/80/15, and it is of second week of 2017. There you go. So it will be replaced, or they will be replaced for that matter, with Shinko's. Not brought to you by Shinko tires, but maybe in the future. Shinko SR777. The front one is 110/90/19. Let me see if this one was 90/19, 80/19. So that one will be a tad bigger. Bigger meaning taller. That's all it is. The back one is 160/80/15, which is what is supposed to be 160/80/15. Yeah. It's also Shinko SR777. I did put those tile letterings, because for some reason Shinko doesn't do it. I mean, it would have been great. I mean, I know those tires come with white walls or the black walls. It's up to you. Where I live, I couldn't find white walls quick enough, so I've gone with black walls, and obviously tile lettering is for the win. I have a bunch of tile letterings. Even my own set is the same SR777. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna do the tire change and I'll get back to you when it's done, because once again I'm not gonna film how I do it because it's bleeding boring. Okay, alright, see you soon. Well, everything is looking promising. Everything's out. Both wheels, actually, they're both put on. The front wheel is balanced, the rear is not yet. What was cool about it, actually it wasn't cool, I had to sit the tire on the bead. That was annoying because it wouldn't sit by the letters, well, actually not the letters but the digits on both sides. So I had to pump 34 psi for both sides to sit. Everything is good now, so I can balance the back one, put everything on, and set my brother his way. Well, there she sits. Everything is fit. Actually, the front tire, as I said, it's bigger than the stock, which kind of makes it look fatter, like a Phantom, which is pretty cool. But the you know, it's kind of tight right here, but it's not touching, which is good news. I don't know if the fender is adjustable or not, but it looks good. And obviously I have the 1100 here. Two shadows, almost 2 liters of displacement right here. Pretty nice. Satisfied with the results. I will be setting my brother go. He's been playing with my son for a while now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.